It's getting such a joke here. The two poems I'm writing, I got the dark one wrote. Um, yeah, the two. Okay, basically, if I did an Eminem, if I literally used an Eminem beat for one of them, it'll make total sense, honestly. But it's a poem, so it's gonna be a cappella. One is in the style of Eminem, the other is in the style of 50 Cent. Let's just go here. Actually, bring it up on my computer because I'm on or my laptop. if you do working, if you literally do working, yeah, Chromebook is good enough. If you get this thing to actually game, yeah, the, uh, there is a screencast which works pretty good. You know. Let me start. Let me continue this song. I'll wait till later. So yeah, I got one song done. I think. Let me see. Yeah. I do. That's a guarantee. I'm doing the beat for it too. So I don't know why. I just this time of the month, my mind is dark. It gets dark. It gets creative. I will be doing a freestyle too. I just want to, write a random subject, and I'll try to record it. You what? Oh, I need to do this one too. I have a couple I'm working on. So I have a thing on my computer. But by the way, um, yeah. Okay, let's see. By the way, the poems will be 8 bar type poems, like wrote in 8 bar. So yeah. Let me see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars done for this. Good. How many do I have for this one? About 4 almost done. I really want to listen to the way I am right now. Oh my god. Because that's been in my head for the past day or two. Lyric idea, what? What? I literally write down every lyric idea that I get in my head. Oh god, I hate that. Ew. Oh, of course. Oh, what am I? If I can find a stupid mouse, that'd be great. But yeah, I'm gonna get to working on the two like poems right now because I'm gonna get those done. I won't be able to release them. I could do them in either rap style or a poetry read style. One was started after the other. That's nice. Oh, I forgot I also have my bushcraft kit list. The one I was gonna do. I did find the UCO Uko or UCO Spork. But yeah. Anyway, by the way, I wear this because it's a favorite hat of mine, and I don't want it to be a signature hat of mine because I have a couple Mossy Oak stuff. I do survival on one channel, and I do vehicle stuff on the other one. Plus, I have a card opening channel which no one watches, so it's like, why? But anyway, I gotta get to work. I gotta get these done. I want to get this done today. Both of us, those two, done today because I need to. Because I want to get a lot of stuff wrote. So when I do get the polyps out, I'm able to be clearly heard. I could be able to record, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna record a crap ton. With the poems, you don't really need them super whatever. Let me get FL Studio up. Yes, I use what? 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 Let me move this right here because it's probably loud. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. None. I have no idea. That's a claim. But yeah. Also, let me do a plug for my other two channels. If you like, survival, prepping, EDC, bushcraft, what have you. Yeah. Haha. I have this open right? Yes, I do. Yay. Wow. Go to... Really? Seriously. I'm gonna start plugging my other channels too. So, yeah, if you like prepping, survival, EDC, bushcrafting, outdoorsy, stuff is actually... I've actually been testing stuff from the beginning. Go to JYK's EDC, survival, and prepping on a budget. I have a few MOE tastings on there. I have testings of different things, such as, the... Now, this is a pocket box, right? So I have the test of the flashlight. I have a post-apocalypse RP, unboxings and all that. I have things for prepping that I think would be good for, for if you're on a budget. You're like, oh god, I can't afford, all this good stuff, right? And also go to Hobo JYK. That is my Vehicle Life channel. I should plug the code winning channel, but yeah, I should. I should plug all my channels. Screw that crap. Okay, it's just... Oh. But yeah, Hobo JYK, capital H, OBO, and capital, in all capitals, JYK. Subscribe to those. Watch the videos, right? I just did a sound device for people, on my EDC channel. A sound device for people who want to do a subscription box. I gotta plug my channels, man. So, yeah. Yeah. Preview of the next test for my EDC channel. This laser etch fish shell stubby I got from Pocket Box. Yeah. I've already did the flashlight one, which is very light, actually. Rechargeable. Yeah. So yeah, that's... And then on my Hobo JYK, I will be doing like hiking stuff and all that when I get a better camera that can actually do this type of stuff. So yeah. Anyway, subscribe, like, watch the videos on this channel. JYK's, JYK, like both the other channels, man. Yeah. The EDC, survival, and prepping on a budget. And in Hobo JYK. Trying to go all three channels. I'm trying to get that monetization so I'm able to do better videos, get better equipment, and so y'all can have the best possible, quality. You know, but it's been Ace the King / DA-JYK. Peace.